Hey everyone, it's Maybelline, the Love Dragon, Love Lion, sorry. And well, it's snowing. Yeah, it's snowing, and it's like, yeah. Hold on a minute. Yeah, I'm like really excited. So. It's snowing, and it is December 6th, and on Sunday, and it's the first snow of December. So, yeah, I'm really happy, and I doubt they'll go to school, but you never know. Like, I don't know. You never know what's going to happen, so it's not raining over there. Okay, so, yeah. I'll go upstairs real quick. So sort of awesome. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. This is Cal coming to rain. Bye!